CSF. We got Kansas City Southern. We got CP. We got CSF. We got all the railroads. Except Norfolk Southern, but no one cares about Norfolk Southern, do we now? Big eye locomotive there. Two trains at once. It's a foamer's heaven. If we get a 3-1, I'm going to be surprised. You know what I said about how we haven't seen Norfolk Southern yet? Well, I'm not sure if this train is going to move, but I can move for you guys. And that spectacular smoke show that it's giving us. Am I the only one that sees that thing? Yeah. Thanks a lot. One more time of how glorious that smoke show is that it's giving us. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful.